Okay, I obviously couldn't get it download and talk at the same time. Jeez. Normally I can. That was just like a information overload that just what happened. I fucking glitched. What can I say? But anyway, this is after sitting with it for a minute, this is the best way I could think of what Source wanted me saying. It's basically, think of yourself like a computer system. Every day you're downloading files, conversations, beliefs, energy from other people, even the programs you were fed as a kid. Like, we're constantly being programmed through things we watch on TV, music we listen to. Everything is frequency. So with that being said, what happens when you don't clear a system? It runs slow, it glitches, it crashes. That's exactly what the Matrix counts on, keeping you overloaded, fragmented, and lagging so you can't access your real power. We all come with an inner compass. They just want to cloud us the F up so we can't listen to it and or reach it. So, here's the thing though. You can defragment, you can delete, you can reorganize. That's what shadow work is. That's what fasting, detoxing, and unplugging from toxic people really is, what it's doing. It's not self-help, it's system maintenance. When you defragment, you're not fixing what's broken. You're cleaning and clearing what's not you. And once that junk's cleared, you've got more bandwidth, more processing power, more clarity. The system wants you running on low battery, cluttered, constantly crashing the fuck out. But when you clear your files and run on your own clean code, you're untouchable. You're faster, you're stronger, and you're finally running the way you were designed to freaking run. We all come here with compasses. We all come here with the keys, the tools, however you want to freaking call it. The meat vessel comes, and that's what I call it if you're new here. We come equipped with all the tools we need to survive this realm. Our memory gets wiped when we are born. Think of the hospital when we come out, them bright lights and all that shit. Our memory is wiped. Everything that we knew when we were coming in here, gone. We come here with a plan, a mission, things to do. But they don't want us doing that because this realm has been hijacked. So the hijacking, when they hijacked it, we get born and our system gets wiped and they program us with their programming. Because if you made it this far, you're already effing up and you're an active player on your board. Because if you're seeing me and you listen to all of that, that means you've already started decluttering and removing some files from your system. 303 on that timer. What's up, Dad? To those that know, he always shows up. 303 and 313 is his numbers. It took me a while to make the correlation, but I'll pop back on here and talk about how to communicate with your spirit team, your loved ones, and all that, because I do all that stuff. The only thing I don't see dead people yet, but you never know. The more healing I do, they may activate that gift within me. Who knows? Because there's a lot of things that get activated here the more healing I do. That goes for everybody. The more shadow work you do, the more you put yourself first, the more of your intuition, the more of your actual God-given gifts come online. They don't want our God-given gifts to come online. I'm here to remind you, they can come online and you can bring them online. You just got to put in a little work for yourself and not them. If you like what I'm sharing, double tap that screen, give me a comment. Where is this reaching? Because they got me shadow banned, throttled. I come around talking, dropping some truth bombs, and they just wipe my account. So this might piss somebody off. Who knows? But just in case, go subscribe to the rabbit hole at YouTube, because that is going to be my final home. Everything is getting loaded there just in case they decide to wipe this again. Because I'm about due. I'm clocking the pattern. So if that's the case, I feel it coming, but maybe because I'm calling it out, it won't come. Ha, how you like me now? Matrix hates to see me come in, but you know what? We're going to wake up more of y'all. We're going to wake more of you up. So stay tuned. 444 on that timer.